Hello everyone, welcome to Career Clue. In this video, we will discuss GRN and GDN, two fundamental processes that determine how materials are tracked in any warehouse. Understanding them correctly isn't just about memorizing definitions, it's about controlling stock accurately, avoiding mistakes, and maintaining accountability from the moment goods arrive until they are issued. Let's go step by step so you can see exactly how these processes work in real operations. GRN GRN stands for Goods Received Note. It is generated whenever materials arrive at the warehouse. When a shipment comes in, the warehouse team physically inspects the items, check the condition, and counts the quantity. They then match everything against the purchase order and invoice, and only the accepted quantity is recorded in the system. For example, if 50 fuel filters arrive but 5 are damaged, the GRN is recorded for 45 filters, not 50. This ensures the stock in the system matches reality, prevents discrepancies, and holds the supplier accountable. GRN increases stock and ensures everything arriving is verified and ready for use. Accurate GRN processes may seem routine, but they form the foundation of reliable inventory management. GDN GDN stands for Goods Delivery Note, and it is created whenever materials leave the warehouse. For instance, if a site requests 20 engine oils, the warehouse verifies stock and approvals, issues the items, and records the delivery in the GDN. Once signed by the receiver, responsibility shifts from the warehouse to the site. Unlike GRN, GDN reduces stock in the system and ensures outgoing materials are properly tracked. Following GDN procedures consistently prevents stock discrepancies and keeps warehouse operations organized. Key differences: movement. GRN is inward, materials coming in. GDN is outward, materials going out. Stock effect. GRN increases stock, GDN decreases stock. Purpose: GRN ensures accuracy of received materials, GDN ensures controlled and accountable issuance. Responsibility: GRN responsibility lies with the warehouse for verifying received items. GDN responsibility shifts to the receiving site or department. Audit and accuracy. GRN prevents discrepancies on incoming stock. GDN prevents loss and ensures traceable issuance. These differences are not just definitions, they define how every warehouse maintains control, accuracy, and accountability. That's the essential difference between GRN and GDN. Mastering these processes helps maintain accurate inventory, prevent errors, and keep accountability clear in every warehouse operation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Clue to stay updated with practical interview guidance and career tips you can actually use.